Hi guys, and welcome to the studio. It's time to make our sensory bin for the month of June. Can you believe that it's already June? So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the stuff that I picked up at the Dollar Tree this week, and then we'll get started. All right, so inside my Dollar Tree bin here, I have all the goodies. I picked up a box of pasta. I picked up some super fun little pom-poms. And I got these adorable containers. They're for ice cream bowls and spoons. And then some fun summery confetti. Now, you can take all this stuff and just throw it in the bin and you'll be good to go. Or we can take it one step further and color the pasta. So to take our pasta from a regular pasta color and turn it into something colorful, we're going to need a few more pieces of hardware. We're going to need some isopropyl alcohol. We're going to probably want to use some Ziploc bags to contain the mess. You'll need one bag per color. You're going to want some trays to spread it out and dry it on. You don't have to have a cookie sheet. If you wanted to use just a big old piece of newsprint, you could do that. I'm going to use a cookie sheet lined with a piece of paper. And then you're going to need something to color it with. So I'm going to use washable liquid watercolors, but you could use food coloring as well. If you don't want to get your hands messy, you can use gloves. I'm going to open up my bag and I'll put half my pasta in my bag. I'm using two colors, so we'll do half of it in green and half of it in orange. Now, to my bag, I'm going to add a little bit of my isopropyl alcohol. I would say that's probably about 3 tablespoons worth. And then some of my color. Don't be shy. Mix it up. Now, if you don't want to do it in the plastic bag, you could just do this in a bowl, right? Or flat on the tray, but I feel like the bag keeps all the mess contained, and then I can just throw this away when I'm done. Gel food coloring will turn this out really, really bright. But I kind of like the subtle pastel-y colors. We're going to take our pasta. We're going to put it out on our tray. This is where you might want to have some gloves, but spread it out. This is a really pretty like lime green color. I like it because it's a springy green. Let that dry. I'm going to throw this bag away. Here we go. Green and orange. Now this has to dry, and it'll probably take less than an hour before it is all dry. If you have it so it's not all like in one layer, if it's kind of overlapping like mine is here, you might want to fluff it a little bit about halfway through. But once it's completely dry, then we'll put it in our sensory bin. All right, guys, our pasta is all ready to go. It's dry on the tray. If we just kind of take our fingers and mix it up a little bit, sometimes they kind of stick together, so you might have to kind of unstick them. Look how beautiful they all are. It's just a subtle little bit of color, but I think it's so pretty and springy. So we're going to add that to our bin, and let's put all this together. Add some of our little pom-poms to it. Oh, that's such a fun texture to feel. And then we got all this fun confetti. And the last part of our bin are these bowls. Now, if you can't find the ice cream bowls, I think you can really use any small containers that you have around the house. These are fun and summery. You can pretend you're making little ice cream sundaes. You decide if you want to include the spoons, because if you've got a kiddo that mouths everything anyway and everything's a food, spoon might not be a good option for playing. But if they understand pretend eating and pretend play, it could be really fun to have your spoons with our little pasta ice cream sundae bar. I think I'm just going to fit in maybe 2. The rest I'll put somewhere else. We do have these cups in our studio. I know Platt Woods has them and was using them to divvy up oil pastels in the studio, and they make fun little plastic bowls. So that is our sensory bin for quiet art and play class for the month of June. See you in class, everybody.